Hello and welcome to this interesting facts about the Round Tower in the middle of Copenhagen. King Christian IV built the highly original building complex Round Tower. The construction of the tower began in 1637 and in 1632 it was finished.
The tower is the first part of the Trinitatis complex that united church, library and observatorium in one building.
Round Tower was built in 1942. The tower's foundation was built of rocks, and the rocks came from the Netherlands.
The building contract with carpenter Paul Golz appears that the intention was to build 5 astronomical houses on the platform and on Stjerneborg.
Christian IV was born April the 12th, 1577 and died February the 28th.
The tower has, apart from the very top, no stairs, but a wide spiral once covered with brick on edge leading up to the viewing platform. The Round Tower spiral walk is unique in European architecture.
1648. He was king of Denmark and Norway from 1588 to 1648. He was the son of Frederick II and Queen Sophie.
The design of the top is similar to the arrangement of the Stjerneborg. Side length is also the same as the diameter of the tower. The radius of the tower is 1768 centimeters.
Round Tower is today one of Copenhagen's largest and most popular tourist attractions.
The tower is 41.55 meters high. And here you can all see a picture of the view from the Round Tower. It's a very beautiful view, and you can see the whole Copenhagen and the houses and the trees, and it's very beautiful.
On this photo we can see that the tower is very high, and we can see that people gathering around the tower because it's a very beautiful and popular tourist attraction in Copenhagen.